Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the subject mechanical engineering material. In that, the chapter number 2, steel and its alloy. In that, you can see the types of steel. Okay, the first one is ferrous metal, iron and steel. The pure iron is the soft and ductile to be much practical use, but when a carbon is added, useful set of alloys are produced. They are known as a carbon steel. The amount of carbon will determine the hardness of the steel. The carbon amount range 0.01 to 4%. Then classification of steel depending on upon the percentage of carbon, the low carbon steel, medium carbon steel, high carbon steel. These three types are further subdivided as a plain carbon steel, alloy steel. Okay, in that first plain carbon steel, the containing only residual concentration of impurities other than carbon and little manganese. Alloy steel, more alloy elements are intentionally added in specific concentration. The types of steel, the low carbon steel like mild steel, medium carbon steel and high carbon steel. Like tool steel, alloy steel are stainless steel and high speed steel. The low carbon steel. In that percentage carbon is not 0.008 to 0.3. Very low amount of alloy elements like manganese. The property soft, ductile, malleable, tough, machinable, weldable and non-hardenable. Least expensive, cold working is necessary to improve the strength. Application, wire, nails, rivet, screw, panel, welding rod, sheet plates, boiler plates and tubes, fan blades, gear, valve, camshaft, crankshaft, connecting rod, railway, axle, cross head, etc. Next, this is an example of a low carbon steel. You can see here where the low carbon steel is used. Camshaft, crankshaft, then gear. Next one is mild steel. The percentage of carbon is not 0.15 to 0.25. The microstructure containing consists of 25% perlite in a ferrite matrix property, high strength, low ductility as compared to conventional low carbon steel was not 1% of carbon, excellent variability. The yield strength 300 to 350 megapascal, ultimate strength is 400 to 450 megapascal, and percentage elongation is 26 to 30. Near bed attain temperature above A3 and become austenite when the welding is complete. This region cool more rapidly than in air cooling due to cell quenching. In carbon content does not exceed 0.25. The hardenability is low for martensite product. If martensite from its hardness is less than 45 RP, application sheet, hull, boiler, oil, pipeline, beam, H-beam, angles, channel, grill, building bars, etc. Weathering steel, adding phosphorus and copper to mild steel to improve the resistance to atmospheric corrosion. The medium carbon steel, also known as a machinery steel. The percentage of carbon is 0.3 to 0.6. The property intermediate to low and high carbon steel, medium hard, not so ductile and malleable, medium tough, slightly difficult to machine, weld and harden, difficult to cold work and hence hot work. Least expensive example or application bolts, axle, spring, wire, wheel, spokes, rod, hammer, lock washer, crank pin, turbine, rotors, railway rails, railway tires, cylinder liners, etc. High carbon steel, also called as a tool steel, percentage of carbon is 0.6 to 2%. The property hard, wear resistance, brittle, difficult to machine, difficult to weld, and can be hardened by heat treatment. The can be cold work application, knives, chisel, cutting tools, forging dies, punching hammers, spring, clips, clutch, discs, drills, leaf springs, razor blades, balls, and rests for ball bearing, mandrels, cutters, reamers, etc. The property and use of alloy element. First, sulfur. The combined with iron and form FeS, hard and brittle. The iron and sulfur has low melting point and hence solidify the last appears at the grain boundaries. During hot working, cranks develop during the working hot shot. The amount to be resist 0.05% and more than 5 times of its sulfur manganese to be added. Manganese sulfur is not so hard and brittle as iron sulfur. The manganese sulfur has a higher melting point than iron sulfur. This manganese addition reduces the brittleness and hot shortness. Hence, some amount of manganese is always present in any steel. The iron sulfur and manganese sulfur promote the cheap formation and hence improve the machinability. Alloy steel. Aligned elements of steel manganese, silicon, copper, chromium, nickel, molybdenum, cobalt, vanadium. Example, stainless steel and high-speed steel. The effect of aligned element and property of alloy steel. Maximum ultimate tensile strength. Thick section are available with high hardness, more control quenching, improve impact resistance, improve corrosion resistance, improve high temperature performance, improve the machinability, improve high or low temperature stability, better wear resistance. The effect of individual alloy element on properties of alloy steel. The property and use of alloy elements are first, phosphorus. It dissolves in ferrite and forms of solid solution, increase tensile strength and hardness if solubility is exceeds Fe3P is found which is hard and brittle. This amount of phosphorus is kept below not 5%. The phosphorus reduces the solubility of carbon in ferrite and just reject can be adjacent areas forming a banded structure alternate perlite and ferrite layer. The easy crack propagation, hence banded structures are not desirable. The property and use of alloy element, silicon dissolve in ferrite and form a solid solution, increase strength, hardness and toughness without loss of ductility, strong deoxidizer up to 5% silicon produce magnetically soft material with, for transformer, motor and generator cores, less eddy current loss due to high electrical resistivity, steel with 2% silicon, 1% manganese, and percentage of carbon between 0.05 to 0.7 are suited for manufacturing leaf spring, coil spring, chisel, punching. Higher amount of silicon are never added because the cementite from steel decompose into a graphite and ferrite which spoils the property of steel. The property and use of alloy element manganese either less than 2% or more than 10% because the manganese contains between 2 to 10% induced brittleness, dissolve in ferrite and increase the yield strength, tensile strength, toughness and hardness, least expensive and hence added to all structural steel for strengthening, enhance the response to heat treatment, normalizing, improves the impact property of manganese steel, combines with sulfur and from manganese sulfur and reduce the detrimental effect of iron sulfur. Application low carbon steel, manganese content 1.65 to 1.9, rail, gear, axle, connecting rod, crankshaft, bolt, nut, stud, steering levers, aircraft, fitting, and gun barrel. The property and use of alloy element in Hadfield steel. In that property of nickel, dissolve in ferrite and increase the tensile strength, hardness and toughness without decreasing ductility. Added up to 5% to increase the tensile strength and toughness. Austenite stabilizer. High addition of nickel makes a steel austenite at room temperature, such as steel are soft, ductile, malleable, and non-magnetic. Increase the corrosion and oxidation resistance if added in excess of 5%. Increase the impact resistance of steel at low temperature. Increase the hardenability of steel. Reduce the coefficient of thermal expansion in burn. 36% nickel, 0.02% of carbon, and 0.5% of manganese. Univer 36% of nickel, 12% chromium, and nickel span 42% nickel, 5.5% chromium, and 2.5% of titanium. Application: steel with 2 to 3% nickel are used in larger forging, casting, and structural components which cannot conventionally quench locomotive boilers, boats, railways, axle, and bridge structures. Then chromium increase the hardenability, forms a carbide and increase the hardness and wear resistance of steel, increase the corrosion and oxidation resistance when added in substational amount, increase the service life and performance of steel, may offer temper indeterminate surface marketing applications, composition and heat treatment for gear, jaw and branch, composition of heat treatment, spring and compressor. Okay, next one is tungsten. Increase hardenability, forms a carbide and increase the hardness and wear resistance. Resistance to tempering, refine grain size and carbide, preventing the grain coarsening. Reduce the tendency of decarburization. Molybdenum, reduce the temper embrittlement, added up to 0.5%. Property of similarity to resistance to grain coarsening and decarburization is less than compared to W. The vanadium, titanium, and cobalt. The example of alloy element, big cutting tool, high strength, low carbon, then spring steel. Carbon contains zero point 0.5 to 0.65 percentage of carbon. Spring property, high resilience, quenching and temper to get a yield strength of about 1500 megapascal. Role of alloy element in spring steel, increase the hardenability, presence of silicon in 55, silicon 2 manganese 90. Spring steel serves the purpose of retarding the softening during tempering so that the stress are relieved are without much loss in hardness and strength. Vanadium in the 550 Cr1b23 steel prevents the grain course during austenizing and improves the toughness of steel. Tool steel. The property, hardenability, the rate the steel on the probability of hardening during cracking, depth of hardening, higher the alloying element, higher in depth of hardening, resistance to decarbonization, ability to resist the loss of carbon at the surface during hardening, loss of carbon lead to softening and cracking, red hardening, the capacity to withstand hardness at high temperature, HSS, high carbon steel, having high rate hardness as compared to other tool steel, wear resistance to remove of surface area of material by abrasion, erosion, adhesion, and other process can cause the wear and tear of material. Abrasion, removal of material by action of hard, sharp particles or projection on sliding surface. Toughness must be absorbed with sufficient energy and resist breaking. Should be it should be rigid and there should with no plastic deformation, machinability, easy of machining, specific allowing element to be added to improve the machinability. Types of tool steel, cold work steel, hot work, high speed steel, and special purpose steel. The cold work steel, water hammer, oil hardened, air hardening, and high carbon, high chromium. The water hardening tool steel, oil hardening tool steel, air hardening tool steel, and high carbon composition. High speed steel. Then stainless steel have a high corrosion resistance and hence they do not corrode in most of the usual environment conditions, hence called as a stainless steel, exhibits the extraordinary corrosion resistance due to formation of very thin layer for sufficient corrosion resistance. Minimum chromium contained in solid solution. When chromium added to steel in first combine with carbon and form a complex chromium carbide and remaining goes in solid solution. Since the chromium going with carbon in 70 times the amount of carbon, chromium is solid solution. The chromium in solid solution from the total chromium is 70 X% of carbon. Higher the chromium is solid solution from the lesser amount of carbide. In addition of chromium, many other elements like nickel, manganese, molybdenum, titanium, etc. improve the property. Stainless steel. Property of stainless steel: corrosion resistance, high ductility and formability, good mechanical property, high resistance, good weldability. Types of stainless steel: martensite, ferrite, austenite, and precipitation hardened. The martensite steel, the amount of chromium in solid solution formed less than 13% percentage of carbon shows the austenite wires at high temperature and hence can be hardened by martensite transformation, thus called the martensite stainless steel. Property: high hard wear resistance, corrosion resistance. Application: spring, ball bearing, ball, razor blade, surgical instrument, cutting tool, and cutlery items. The ferrite stainless steel, amount of chromium in solid solution from greater than 30%. The chromium is ferrite stabilizer and 12.5% chromium austenite phase disappears, thus the steel containing more than 30% chromium shows only the ferrite from room temperature to high temperature called the ferrite stainless steel. The property: high corrosion and oxidation resistance as compared to group A, soft, ductile, malleable and magnetic in nature. Yield strength 350 megapascal, ultimate strength 550 megapascal. The application: pressure in chemical, food industry, pressure vessel, furnace parts, heater, heat exchanger, juice carrying pipe, in sugar industry, restaurant equipment, pots and pans. Austenite stainless steel include at least 24% of total chromium, nickel and manganese. Nickel and manganese are austenite stabilizer and hence this steel containing austenite at room temperature and called as austenite stainless steel. Composition: 70 to 19% chromium, 4 to 6% nickel, 7 to 10% manganese and 0.15% of carbon, 0.25% of nickel. Properties: soft, ductile, malleable, non-magnetic, excellent cold forming, strength and high temperature strength, high coefficient thermal expansion. Application: engine, manifold, food and chemical plants, tubular heat exchanger, utensil, wristwatch and sanitary fitting, etc. Okay, thank you.